After watching this video, you will know exactly what to look for when searching for inspiration for your next tree painting. These are just a few examples of my recent tree paintings. But first, let me take you along on a guided tour of my local forest. My best advice for taking your tree painting to the next level is to start by taking a walk in a forest or in a local park and study the trees. What type of trees are they? Are they tall? Are they crooked? Are they young? Are they old? Do they grow in groups, or are they more solitary trees? If you like, you can take along a small sketchbook or notebook and write down your observations. What are the colors that appeal to you? What are the specific features of the trees or the forest that appeals to you? Do you like very strong colors, or do you like more subdued colors? You should write all these things down. One of my favorite trees is the birch tree. I like the contrasting colors of the black and the white of the bark. Today is a beautiful fall day, but you can choose any season you like. Or even, how about painting the same tree through different seasons? Yeah, so this is the season. It's fall, my favorite season. So let's go paint some fall colors. In part 2, we'll take a look at your next step when designing your tree painting. I will link to part 2 at the end of this video. Thank you very much for watching.